Now let's summarize. In this module, we covered both the cloud-based services that power the app and the real-world debugging challenges we face to make them work. So what we covered under cloud-based services, we explored our serverless toolkit, including Firebase authentication for secure logins, Cloud Firestore for storing subscription data, and Cloud Functions for running our critical server-side logic, like verifying payments. Then we looked at security best practices. We learned why you should never store API keys in your application and how we use Google's secret manager to keep our Razorpay keys safe. Then we looked at the real world problems like dependency hell and the environmental problems. In the next session, which will be the final session, we'll discuss about polishing the application and publishing. We'll discuss the final debugging story. We'll analyze the critical unauthenticated error that only appears in the release builds and learn why both debug and release SHA1 keys must be registered in Firebase. We'll see how to generate a signed app bundle. We'll walk through the process. We'll look at the key store. We'll cover the absolute importance of safely backing up your key store file, which is your unrecoverable master key to your application. And then we'll look at the Google Play console. We do a high-level tour of the publishing checklist, including the mandatory policy questionnaires like content rating and the data safety section. And then submitting for review on Google Play Store. Finally, we'll cover the process of submitting the application, how to do a close test, and preparing for the final production rollout. So thank you all for joining. We will see you in the next session.